That's a nice one, bro.
Yeah, right there,
Hell yeah.
Good job.
You should hold the camera and not catching fish. One more time, one more time. There you go. Hell yeah. Yeah, what's up guys? Jason's here and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm at, you already know, Horseshoe Montreal Harbor. And guess what we're doing today? Sheephead fishing, guys. For one of my YouTube fans' request. Here I am, guys. For you, bro. Doing a sheephead today. And you know, fishing a couple guys over here. I got my dog right there. Got the cameraman over there. And my uncle and bros over there. Shout out to Hawk Baits. Go get your pond crabs over there, guys. She still got a whole bunch of them. And shout out to Star Rods. Star Rods. Go get them, guys. Alright, stay tuned. Wave is crazy, guys. The wind's so strong. I don't know if y'all can see, but look how strong the wind is. Bike slow. But hopefully you still get some more. Stay tuned. Fish on, fish on. Yeah. Little one sẽ chạy dữ rồi. Little one sẽ chạy dữ rồi. Get up, bro. First one. Yay.
Can I take a picture because we're not?
All right, cameraman. Go get him.
This is what we're using. Crawfish and 3 ounce weight.
So that's the setup right there. Leader. Cast it out, bro. Go to your, yeah. That's it. Oh, good. Fish on. Got it?
Got it, yeah.
Yeah, bro. Cameraman. Cameraman got fish on. Here? Oh, hell yeah, son.
Big one, I hope.
Cameraman.
I hope this one.
How you feel, man?
Doing good.
Got a big one. Cameraman, fish on. Oh, big one! Cameraman! Hell yeah! Look at that, guys. Holy nice one. You got the big ones, bro. Sit down. Hold your fish up. Hold your fish up, okay?
Well, I can't even see him.
Oh my God.
Hold your fish, bro. You got gloves? Scared dirty your hand? This guy.
You buy it to, I mean, you take it to sell or?
No.
No,
take
this
it
fish
home.
is Jason, not mine.
Go, bring it
I
up.
give it Jason. It says,
Just hold the fish up. You scared dirty or something?
man, I wish you with this fish. That's why.
Wear your glove.
Shit,
Just,
hold like that.
man, that's a nice one, bro.
Right there,
Hell yeah. Good job. You're supposed to hold a camera, not catching fish. One more time. There you go. Hell yeah, guys. Check that out. Good job, bro. Hell
Got
yeah.
my spot, man.
Nice.
Cho cái chấm của mình luôn á.
Lucky day, huh?
Oh yeah, check this one out, guys.
Jason Murs right there.
Let's go, let's go.
Jason special.
That's how you do it.
When the merch come in the bottom.
Right there, right there. Badass.
Jason Murs come. If you want it, come down the bottom.
Hang on.
Yep. Yo.
Rong bằng gì cũng biết nữa. Không phải ngay nữa.
Yo. Chạy mà. It's on.
Baby.
Baby.
Baby's on. Baby.
Number 2 for him. Got it. Come on, Ricky. Number 3.
No.
Đi kéo ra. Không được.
Killing it over here.
It's on.
Baby.
Oh.
Cầm lấy tí. Gỡ kéo lên quay xuống gỡ. Boy, baby, it's still good. Beat the wind.
Baby fish.
That crazy wind, we're still catching them. I don't know if y'all can hear, but strong ass wind, guys. Be out here, beat the wind. Oh. Still got the camera. Just let on. I think I got it. That look like a bite, right? like a bite, right?
Right.